鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれが永遠だって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められて変の宿りを結んで可愛くして喋らん方が可愛い
Hoy! Makinig ka nga! Nagkukwento yung matanda dito, di mo nire-respeto. Ano yung other term first? Ano yung other term? Parang ang story kasi ng baka na is... Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you po.
Happy birthday to you.
Sa harap, so nakita ng example, si Lolo. Tapos sino ba? Si Nathan daw. Sandra, si Sandra. No, marami ka sabi ko. Gusto ko sa palos na ano ba? Sige, Nathan in 3, 2, 1, go. I'm ready. Sabay. Punta ko siya kasi Indiano siya. So, kanya-kanya po siya. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Kaya ka muna. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
I hope you like it, baby. Kailangan ko lahat ng skills.
Sige, ano? Bato, tik-tik. Best of two.
Happy birthday.
Just finished eating. We're gonna start this way because this is our strategy. Oh, mommy! On this thing. Yeah, I don't normally like chocolate, but I'm gonna try it. We mix vegetables. Oh my gosh! I kinda wanna try them. I was making a steak. I need steak. No.
Kasi ano nakita ko lumabas yung...
Soy bueno.
Sino kamukha ni Kim?
Si Deo.
Me. Look at my flick mata. Kay Kim. Taking over Kim's vlog. Parentals edition. Oh, Bogi. Wow. Siya, hindi pa siya tapos kumain, guys. Kahapon, we actually had a party. Sobrang saya namin with the whole family. Kasi it's been a while na nagkaroon kami ng get-together. Hello, dude!
My bad.
Nagkaroon kami ng get-together with the whole family. It's actually the dad side, no? Family. So, ang saya. Magandang kami ng maraming chikahan. Kasi si Kim, ano rin yan eh. Very close din sa mga cousins niya. Nakapunta na. Iniwanan mo na kami. Where's na siya? Iniwanan nila kami. Ang daldal daw namin dalawa.
Uniqlo!
Uniqlo na! Yay!
It's not opened yet, but it will be.
Shake Shack, ayun na.
There's Shake Shack. Oh, it's 2 floors.
Dito na lang talaga tayo.
Yun na talaga. Nasa solidify na yung favoritism natin sa Green Hills Mall. Mom's looking for her light yellow polo. And based on her reaction, I feel like wala. Taters! Yay! Are you excited for the Titans?
Yes.
Look at the cinema! And there's already Wicked. Super exciting. Hi, Mom! Happy birthday!
Thank you, baby. Dead.
So ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog because tulog ako buong time sa Kared. And we just finished lunch.
Saan ka nag-lunch?
Sa Milas. Tokwat Baboy.
Baboy. So if you're here, in Pampanga,
Make sure to check this place out.
saan mo sa likod ng sabi ni Kim? Sa likod ng Royce?
Okay, anyways, I'll just see you at the hotel because I'm getting kind of car sick. See you later. Kakalat! Ooh! Oh, like the bigger one? No, I don't. We're just waiting for Dad. No lift. Wait, is this a lift? Nar. This is VIP. Second floor tayo. 2. Okay. Tour. Safe. That's the fridge. Cute bread. Eh! Oh, yes, girl! Yeah! Oh! Girl! Here's your girl. I love my designer.
Bigyan kita ng try mo lang siya. Bigyan kita ng sample. Ito ba yung sa online? Okay.
Pwede, pero hindi mo na. O, tingnan mo muna. Masaya yung ano.